Pallet Flow is a dynamic, high-density storage solution supporting first-in, first-out inventory rotation. Pallets loaded on the entry or charge side of the system gently flow on slightly inclined rails toward the pick aisle. Pallet flow can range from 2 to over 10 pallets deep depending on the storage application. Forklift operators must be trained on proper loading and unloading procedures to avoid product or system damage. The first step is to ensure all operators are OSHA trained. Next, use standardized quality pallets. Check for broken or splintered runners, dangling plastic wrap, and debris in the lane. Do not use compromised or weak pallets. Lastly, check that the load weight is under the rated system capacity. When the system is ready for loading, square the forklift with the opening of the lane and lift the pallet 3 to 4 inches above the rails. Be careful not to raise the pallet too high as to strike the load above. Place the pallet centered in the lane and slowly lower it onto the rails. After securely placing the pallet, slowly back out of the lane. Note that pallet loading within a pallet flow system is made much easier when entry guides are mounted on the left and right sides of the lane opening. Pallets should easily advance on their own. If for some reason there is a slight hang-up, the forklift operator can gently nudge the last pallet in the lane before backing out to resume proper flow. This is called charging the system. To retrieve a pallet, again square the forklift with the pick face opening. Load the pallet onto the outriggers and raise it 3 to 4 inches above the rails before slowly backing out. If the rear pallets do not advance on their own, the operator can gently push back the front pallet a few inches to resolve the hang-up and advance the pallets. The driver controls the float with the speed at which he backs away from the system. Careful consideration should be given to the turning radius of the forklift to avoid ramp impact. Heavy-duty upright and row end protection can be added to prevent system damage. Pallet flow can also be used as a pushback system, requiring a single aisle for both loading and unloading while supporting a last-in, first-out inventory rotation. The loading and unloading procedure remains the same, just completed from a single aisle facing the down lane or pick face position. If you have questions regarding pallet flow applications, operation, or maintenance, call the Apex team today. Our storage and material handling experts are here to help.